Good evening, students. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Welcome to the Vedic Maths classes. Vedic Maths in which you do calculations with the help of tricks and formulas. First of all, we will do a quick revision of the previous things which you have studied before. As you can see in front of you is multiplicand and the multiplier, and you are well known with it. Now our first topic, which is multiplication with 9. Inside this topic there are 3 types: type 1, type 2 and type 3. Type 1 and type 2 we have studied before. Now today we will study type 3. Now we will discuss that what we have studied before as type 1, type 2 and type 3. In type 1, as you can see the example 63 into 99. In this, multiplicand and multiplier has the same number of digits. Second type, in it, for example 43 into 999. In this, multiplier has more number of digits than the multiplicand. So now today's topic is type 3. Type 3, multiplication with 9. This is a specific case method which is applicable only when the number of digits in the multiplier are less than the digits in the multiplicand and all the digits of the multiplier are 9. For example, 251 into 99. In this you can see that 251 is a 3-digit number and 99 is a 2-digit number. So let's do some examples to get this method. See, this is your first example. In this, you can see it is type 3. Type 3 means in this, the multiplicand has more digits than the multiplier. Like your multiplicand is a 3-digit number, 1, 2, 3, and your multiplier is a 2-digit number, 1, 2. So how you will solve it? Now see. Count the multiplier first of all. 1, 2. 2. So count from here. 1, 2. And put a slash here. What I have done? Count 1, 2. 2 digits in multiplier. So 2 digits in the multiplicand. And after that put one slash. So now you have formed 2 numbers. 2 and 53. You have got 2 numbers, 2 and 53. Now, as I've always said, use your multiplicand. Your multiplicand is 253. Now, in your previous types, you are subtracting 1. Now, what you have to do? See your first number. The first number is 2. So, you have to subtract your multiplicand from one number up. Up means if it is 2, then you have to subtract your multiplicand from 3. If it is 4, then you have to subtract your multiplicand from 5. And if it is 26, then you have to subtract your multiplicand from 27. Is it fine? So now here it is 2. So you have to subtract your multiplicand from 1 digit up. So it is 2. So you have to subtract it from 3. Now 253 minus 3 is 250. Now this is your first digit. Now use the rest of the multiplicand. The rest of the multiplicand is 53. You don't have to use the whole multiplicand here. In the previous one you have used the whole multiplicand, but in the next one you don't have to use the whole multiplicand. Use the rest of the multiplicand after slash. 53. Then the same rule, last from 10 and others from 9. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. 47. So your rest of the. Now this is your answer. I think you are getting this method. We will do some more examples so that you can get this trick better. So now here is our second example. I am taking a small number this time. It is 45 into 9. As I have told you, your multiplicand is a 2-digit number and multiplier is a 1-digit number. So our trick is applicable in this question. So it is a 1-digit number. So here also 1 digit and put one slash. Now the 2 arrows. Now first of all use your multiplicand, which is 45 minus. Now as you can see, before the slash your number is 4 and after the slash the number is 5. This is your first part and this is your second part. First part, second part. So see the number before the slash. The number is 4. As I have told you, you have to subtract your multiplicand from 1 digit up. 1 digit up means from the first number. Your first number is 4. So minus your multiplicand with 5. Here is 4. So 1 digit up means 5. Minus it. 45 minus 5 is 40. Now use your pending multiplicand, means the multiplicand which is after the slash. Don't use the whole multiplicand. After the slash is 5. Last from 10, as we always do. 10 minus 5, 5. And here this first answer is 40. And the second one is 5. And this is your answer. Now here is our third example. 5253 multiply by 99. See now class, it's somewhat different. Just focus. 2 digits. So here also 2 digits and put one slash. Now see, take your multiplicand. Now minus. Now your first number after slash is 53, but before slashes your first number is 52. 52. So what you will minus? 1 digit up, 53. Again I am repeating the whole method, like 2 digits, then mark the 2 digits, and after 2 digits one slash is there. So your multiplicand is divided into 2 parts, first and second. 2 parts, first and second part. So take your multiplicand, subtract the first part 1 digit up, means 52 is there, 1 digit up means 53, then you have to subtract 53. Now 5253 minus 53 is 5200. 5200. Now as I have told you, don't use the multiplicand again, only the part remaining after slash, which is 53. Then last from 10, the same method, last from 10 and others from 9. Last from 10 and others from 9, which you are using in your previous questions. 10 minus 3, which is 7. 9 minus 5, which is 4. 47, 47. Now this is your answer. Now you are getting these sums. Now some more examples. Example 4. As I always says, the more you practice, the better the results are. As you will practice the sums, you will get it more and more. Now your next question is 364 multiply by 999. See, 2 digits and 1 slash. Now take your multiplicand, minus it. Now here is 3, so you have to minus it with 4. Now what it is? 360. Right here 360. Now what is the rest part? 64. Now the last from 10 and others from 9. 10 minus 4, 6, and 9 minus 6, 3. So here is 36 and this is your answer. See how easily you can do, students. Now I am taking my last example, which is a big number, and you will see that how in some seconds I will complete that example. Our last example is a big number, which is 2012,489 multiply by 99999. Now see, students, if you will multiply this number by these nines, you will get 5 rows. As 1 2 3 4 5 it is there, so you will get 5 rows. Then you will multiply, this much of lengthy answer will be there, and it can be wrong, but by using this trick you can solve it in some seconds and the answer will also be accurate. See now, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 slash. Now 2. You can do these things in your mind also. I am writing here to make you understand. If you are very quick in calculations, you can do these things in your mind also. Take your multiplicand. Whole multiplicand you have to take. Then subtract it. Now what you have to subtract? Here is 20. So you have to subtract it from 21. Means one number up. So if you minus this number by 21, you will get 2012468. Now write here. Now the rest part what you have to do? You don't have to take the whole multiplicand. Only take the part which is after the slash. 1, 2, 4, 8, 9. 10 from last and others from 9. Subtract. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. And 9 minus 1, 8. So it is 8, 7, 5, 1, 1. So this is your answer. See how lengthy the answer is, and in some seconds you have solved it, and it is accurate also. So this is the power of this trick. You can do these things in your mind also. I have written so that you can understand it more, but you can do it in your mind. As I always says, the more you practice, the better the results. So please practice the sums at home. Thank you.